The Barbecue by Roderick Hunt and Alex Brychta. Wilf's dad wanted a party. He put up some lights. Wilma and Dad made a barbecue. Wilf and Mum took the food outside. Everyone helped. The dads lit the fire. The fire went out. The children were hungry. The dads lit the fire again. It began to rain. The dads cooked the burgers. The children were fed up. The burgers burned. Yuck, said Chip. Oh no! The dads got wet. Hooray! Said the children. Oxford Reading Tree, Stage 3. More stories B. The Barbecue. The dads have a barbecue. Like, share and subscribe to Arsal Academy and hit the bell icon.